How to choose a new IT provider. There are many options when choosing a new IT provider. Here are the top 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1. Speed of response. When you have an IT problem, there's nothing worse than waiting for it to be fixed. Always ask what the average time to respond to an issue is. Number 2. How secure are they? It's no good having a secure IT infrastructure if your IT company is not secure. Ask them to demonstrate how they keep their own company secure. Number 3. What's their unique selling point? Many IT providers use the same software and solutions. Simply asking what makes them unique will give some great insight into the type of service you can expect. If you would like to find out the answer to all 3 of these questions, click the link below.